Do you remember who you wanted to be as a kid? A superhero, an explorer, or an artist? Now look at your life. What happened to that dream? And more importantly, why did you betray it? A childhood dream isn't just a fantasy. It's a roadmap to your happiness, a compass for your soul. Somewhere along the way, we give it up. We choose a safe job, settle for realistic goals, and forget what it felt like to dream without limits. Betraying your dream is often disguised as growing up. Society teaches us that dreams are impractical, that we need to be realistic. But every time you ignore that little voice inside you, you're losing a part of yourself. And here's the scary part. The more you betray your dream, the more disconnected you become from who you really are. But here's the truth. Even if you walked away from your dream, it hasn't walked away from you. It's still inside, waiting to be rediscovered. And the good news? You can reconnect with it today. Step 1. Go back in time. Think of one moment from your childhood that made you feel unstoppable. What were you doing? Who were you with? That's your dream calling. Step 2. Ask yourself tough questions. When did I give up on this dream? What excuses did I make? What would my younger self think of who I've become? Step 3. Start small. We often make the mistake of taking our childhood dreams too literally. If you once dreamed of becoming a pirate, does that mean you should sail the high seas and search for treasure? Probably not, but ask yourself, what did that dream truly mean to you? Maybe it wasn't about piracy at all. Maybe it was about freedom, adventure, the call of the open ocean. In that case, set a real goal. Sail across the world, explore uncharted waters, embrace the unknown. If you once wanted to be an astronaut, it doesn't mean you have to train for NASA. Maybe your dream was about discovery, pushing beyond the familiar, seeing the universe from a new perspective. If so, book a trip somewhere you've never been. Challenge yourself to explore new ideas, new cultures, new ways of thinking. Your childhood dream isn't a rigid blueprint, it's a compass. It's not about becoming the exact thing you imagined as a child, but about understanding what that dream represented. And when you align your life with that deeper meaning, you're no longer betraying your dream, you're finally living it. Even if you've betrayed your dream 100 times, you can choose differently today. Your childhood dream isn't just a memory, it's a gift. It's your true north. And when you follow it, you don't just change your life, you inspire others to do the same. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on living your best life. And in the comments, tell me, what was your childhood dream? Let's start a conversation, because it's never too late to dream again.